In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to design stunning movie posters in Canva, even if you have zero graphic design experience. Whether you're creating a poster for a short film, a school project, a YouTube series, or just for fun, Canva makes the entire process simple and professional. By the end of this video, you'll know how to choose the right template, add powerful visuals, create bold cinematic titles, include professional film details, apply dramatic effects, and export your poster in high quality. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva design tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and go to the search bar at the top. Type in movie poster and press enter. Canva will instantly show you hundreds of professionally designed templates in different styles, like action, horror, romance, thriller, and sci-fi. The key here is to choose a template that matches the mood of your movie. If you're designing an action poster, look for bold typography and dark, dramatic colors. If it's a romance poster, choose softer tones and elegant fonts. Don't worry about finding the perfect design right away, because you can fully customize everything. Click on the template you like and open it in the editor. Now let's add a strong visual, which is the most important part of any movie poster. A great poster always has one dominant focal point. You can upload your own photo by clicking on Uploads, or you can go to Elements or Photos and search for dramatic images. Think about using a powerful character close-up, a silhouette, or a high-contrast background. Drag your image into the design and resize it so it becomes the main focus. If needed, use the Background Remover tool to cut out your subject and create a more cinematic composition. Position your subject slightly off-center to make the layout more dynamic. Next, let's create a bold cinematic title. Click on Text and add a heading. Your movie title should be large, dramatic, and easy to read even from a distance. Some great fonts for movie posters include Anton, Bebas, Neue, and Oswald because they have that strong cinematic feel. Type your movie name, increase the size, and adjust the letter spacing if needed. Don't be afraid to experiment with uppercase letters for a more dramatic effect. You can also change the color to contrast with your background. For example, white text on a dark background, or bright red for a thriller theme. Now let's add the essential film details that make your poster look authentic. Start with a tagline. This is a short, catchy sentence that creates curiosity. Place it above or below the title in smaller text. Then add cast names near the top of the poster, usually spaced out evenly. After that, include a credits block at the bottom. You can search in Elements for movie credits to find pre-made small text layouts that look realistic. Finally, add the release date near the bottom, making it visible but not overpowering the title. These small details instantly make your design look professional. Now it's time to add cinematic effects to enhance the mood. Click on your main image and go to Edit Photo. You can adjust brightness, contrast, and temperature to create dramatic color grading. For action or thriller posters, slightly increase contrast and reduce brightness for a darker tone. You can also add a vignette effect to darken the edges and draw attention to the center. If you want a more dramatic look, try adding a subtle glow to the title or a grain effect to give it that film texture. Small adjustments can make a huge difference in making your poster feel like a real Hollywood design. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to export. Click on Share in the top right corner, then select Download. For digital use, choose PNG for high quality. If you're planning to print your poster, select PDF Print for the best resolution and clarity. Make sure the size and quality settings are correct before downloading. And that's it. You've successfully designed a professional movie poster in Canva from start to finish. As you can see, the key steps are choosing the right template, adding a strong focal image, using bold cinematic fonts, including realistic film details, applying dramatic effects, and exporting in high quality. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva design guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.